Alright fam, we back at the house now. We got this bumper. Looks, it looks good for $100. Got this spot right here. I feel like it may be, but I think this is how I'm looking at it. Nah, okay, yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with that bumper. It does come out a little bit down here at the bottom, but you can kind of see it buzzing out right there, but I ain't worried about that. I can probably tap that in anyway, but nevertheless, $100 fine. I can clean it up, but this one I believe is actually bent. And as y'all can see, we got some things going on. So what we're gonna be doing today is, well, I started last night just to make sure everything worked and everything. Just wanted to test them. But we got LED sequential turn signal lights, park lights. We got our headlights. They also have white LED and the orange LED for the turn signal, so they match. And I got these smoked side marker lights, but they have a white light in them. And the reason I got those is because for whatever reason they don't make a red, just a red or clear. I would have got the clear to go with that, but they do make a red. I take that back, because originally I was gonna get the orange. One on orange, one on red. I think up here is orange and back there is red, and that LED. But instead of doing that, well, what happened was on eBay, message popped up my phone where they were selling them like for a discounted price. So I had to jump on that. Went on and got them, and yeah, they look pretty good. After it's painted and everything, I'm curious on how that black is going. But last night, this damn thing is bright. To be tinted, that's bright too, but these is damn near, they can work as fog lights. They are bright. I got them wired up on the park light side, so let's see that one turn on. So yeah, that's that's a pretty good LED for what it is. Then got the front. As you can see, even the ring, you can tell the difference how much brighter that LED is from that one. But they still look good though. They still look good. I think I still got the headlight hooked up. Nah, I ain't got the headlight hooked up. Or the turn signal function, but that's what we're gonna get into. And actually, on the early model Gbodies, so the 80 to 83 or 84, once they start changing up stuff, I figured out with this car that this marker light, it doesn't function as a park light. It functions as a signal light, how they have it wired from the factory, because it was still, if you can see, this harness right here, that goes to that park light. And as you can see, I cut it because I didn't want that. I wanted it on as a park light. You can see down there where I rewired it. But that's what we're getting into today. We're gonna rewire this side. Oh, my bad, y'all. We're gonna rewire this side and install the headlights. So we're gonna get everything together. Oh yeah, let me turn on the hazard lights. Oh, and another update. Inside, pretty much complete. Got the steering wheel put in. All the speakers and everything are in, hooked up, playing. Subs in. I built my I ain't gonna say I built one. I cut a piece of wood and screwed my amps to it. I ain't gonna say that's an amp board, but y'all know how it is, man. Work with what you got. That's the best part about these builds. I mean, I don't do this shit to show off for nobody. I do it because I love doing it. But anyway, got my amp, sub amp. I actually got this amp from my little cousin, 4800 VFL. I ain't never even heard of the amp until I got it, and it does pretty good. It does damn good. Got my extra battery right here, and this is just a distribution block for power and ground. Got my 3K Taramps is on all my 8s. I'm sorry, y'all. My 3K Taramps is on all my 8s. I got a 300 amp fuse. I think that's 300, yeah. Fuse in between there. Fuse in between my sub amps. I don't know what's going on with my, I'm used to videoing in 0.5. So it's in just 1 right now. That's why I'm missing a lot of stuff. Well, let me go and go. There we go. I like the wide view anyway. But as y'all can see, that's it. Just 212s. Built box tune, 32 hertz. It is birch wood under here. It's got 2 layers. It's double faced. It's braced all in the middle, and each corner has a 45. So there's no like 90. There's no 90s inside this box. It's smooth all the way around, so it goes like that instead of boom, boom, boom. It's smooth like that. Yeah, I can open this door. There you go. That's it. Use it again. 3/8, 2 tweeters. Sounds real good. Sounds real good. But yeah, that's what we're about to get into, man. Like I said, I got the ones with the back too. I just didn't put them in. That's a good thing about having backyard Gbodies. This is the original one. It wouldn't work unless you push down on the board. This one wouldn't work at all. And that one worked perfect. So let me turn on the signal lights with the hazards. So when I get done, all 4 headlights will basically be doing the same thing. Not the sequential, but they'll be blinking orange too. So let me just set this camera up, get in that mode. It's gonna be a lot of cutting and crimping, but hey, got to get it done. All right, Ty, we back. Got this side done. I didn't set up the camera and record because I had a lot going on, but everything is wired up and working. I had to get in here so I can show y'all. I had to come in here and cut off the connector. Well, let me get this out of the way. This is the headlight harness right here. It went like this. low beam, high beam. Wouldn't get well. Those of you who know, when you're wiring in these LED lights that you order, you have to run them to the right, 'cause they're not in the right spot, basically. So your top where the green wire is, that's your high beam, and that's easy to tell because it's going to the second one. Your inside headlight is always your high beam. Black, brown is your low beam. And how I was saying earlier about the side marker is, it's got, well, this brown wire, I guess it just acts as a ground because it wouldn't work as a park light. It only worked as a turn signal. But because of my headlights, I can still use this wire and run it to, y'all can see down there, there is the green wire. The green wire is the turn signal, and the red wire is the daytime running light. And on these lights, the top is your shit. Let me not lie to y'all. It's going too far. Yeah, the top is your low beam. I'm sorry, y'all. This video is horrible. The top is your low beam. To the left of it is your so if you're looking at it like this from the top is your low beam, this side is your ground, and the other side is your high beam. But when I ordered these lights, it came with a diagram, and the diagram was actually online to show you which pin is which. But I'm gonna set this up and show y'all everything. Before we get to the other side, just want to give y'all an update, show y'all how it's going. That right there. When I turn the headlight on, it's probably gonna blur out. Well, as you see, everything's working like it should. I'm finna go ahead and get to this other side, and I will get back. All right, y'all, we back. And as y'all can probably tell, I already know by now, I'm done. Got everything back together. Got the both sides headlights in. Got the I got them in this bumper because I just hadn't swapped it out. I'm actually gonna swap out the bumper shop first and see if that bumper's bent. And if it's not, then we in the game. If it is, then bingo. If not, then that bitch for sale. Got this side all done. Rewired and everything. It's just in there right now because I ain't gonna zip tie and get it all together. Both sides, it'll look good. Let's just say this one. These damn blades so thick on the new ones that I had to, well, I already had them anyway because I took them off the car in the back. But when I tried to use the ones that I got, they were too small, so I had to depin these to get them out of there and use them for the damn spades. But I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna zip tie it up, tape it up, make it look good. But yeah, man, that's how it looks. I'm really liking it. I can't even lie. set y'all up and go through the motions with it. So you can see everything hooked up right. Looking good. I like it, man. That look right there. You gotta just crunk up this damn septic tank truck. But yeah, man, that look right there, that look good. Like I said, I'm not even a Cutlass guy, but they've been growing on me so much now that I got this one. And well, I had another one too, but this one right here, this is the first one I had with this face on. The last one was a Euroclip. And I always had a vision of how I would want it, and it's coming together pretty good. I just got the grills. Well, I got one bolt in the grill, so they just kind of just in there right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the back and go, cause I got to go back there and fix. I think I just got to change the little socket out, but that's really it on this video. Like I said, for the people that want to know which prong is what, the very top one is going to be your low beam. The one to the left of it is going to be your ground. And the one to the right is going to be your high beam. And to get both of them to come on together, all you got to do is put look at it. If you look at these wires, they all going to the same place. 2 wires to 1, 2 wires to 1. So they both wired together. Even the signal light, the rings. We'll get this bumper situation figured out, and that'll pretty much be it, man. I'm gonna try to get the chain swapped out tomorrow. If I do, then we'll definitely have a video on that. It's part of the reason why it's still on the trailer. But man, I can't stop looking at it. Man, look who we got coming down the street. Because my son wore his Halloween stuff to school. But on that note, I'm gonna get out of here.